We're gonna do an oil change on the Jeep. I got all the supplies right here. I got my filter, OEM, Mopar, and I bought this thing. I'm excited to use this. Is a adjustable filter wrench. I'm gonna see how this works. Man, I know I haven't posted a showtime since, you know, this Corona shit came out. But I'm gonna get back into it. Nice and secured. Hey, güey, ¿dónde está el bote del aceite, güey, chiquito? Never did a tutorial on this, but you have to just unscrew the screw right here. I don't know if you can see it. It's right here, but I'm kind of covering it with my damn bucket on the bottom. Just gotta pull it and see if I can do it without getting my hands dirty. See if it starts leaking. There you go. Got my hands dirty. A little bit, not much, but got my hands dirty. Damn, is that done already? Shit, that shit was quick. Alright, let's put this back in there. Damn, it's almost done. Sorry for the lighting, I don't have a light. They took it from here. I bought a brand new one for myself. And I'm gonna torque that. I'm gonna find out how much I need to torque it to, but I'm gonna torque it. Alright, let's put it this way. We need to take off the filter. It's right here. You can see the filter right here. This right, the little rail right here, so the oil can fall. Alright, let's see if that freaking filter clamp works. In 1 second, I'll be back with it. So there you go, I got it on there. Kind of hard to do with one hand, but it's on there. Let's see if it twists. Oh, that's kind of difficult. Let's see if I can record myself doing it. Ahí va, ahí va, ahí va. Ahí va. It works. It's fucking hard, but it works. I guess it's just, where it's just depends where it's positioned, because I have a sway bar right here. So that could be it. Look at that drain right there. Look at that. See? What I like about these damn trucks, they're fucking designed perfect. Yeah. Hold on. Yeah. There you go. That's pretty much it. Now I just gotta fill up the new filter. I have to fill up the new filter with some oil and put the new one on. I went with the Mopar. See? OEM Mopar. So we just gotta fill it up to the rim. So there's a little rim in there. You can see there's a little rim. Should focus. You can see the little rim right there. So we have to fill it up too. High mileage synthetic blend, 520. That's what it takes. We just put it up in there. Overfilled it? No. Still go a little bit. There you go. You don't need that much. It's in there. In there. It's right there. Yeah. Alright. Let's do that right quick.
Your life needs its own soundtrack. Wake up more refreshed with some old school hip hop. Dinner tastes better set to Mozart.
And that's why you don't need a lot because it drips.
You have some show tunes playing. Upgrade to YouTube Music Premium to get official audio and playlists.
It's fine.
Moment, right on your smart speaker.
To drip a little bit.
And get offline and background listening in the YouTube Music app. Start a trial now on us in the app or online. Terms and conditions apply.
Let me get a little towel, shop towel, because my hands are greasy. Not this one. I'm just gonna ungrease a little bit with this. We're gonna get a shop towel and I'm gonna tighten it up with my hand. Hand tight. Well, you have to like see if it's tight a little bit, and then with a towel, make sure you have a nice grip on it. You do a 180 turn with your hand. So tighten this up and we'll move on. 180. There you go, 180 degrees. There you go, it's all set. It's all said and done. Gotta do a job right quick. We'll be right back and we'll do the rest. So you still have the performance light on? Let's close the door. Okay. So to reset that, you have to go to steps. You put steps right here, and then you go. Let's go to service, right? So let's reset. There you go. Gotta hold it for 3 seconds and it resets to 3,000 miles. So now that I should be set to, that's it. Your light won't come back on and you're all set.